Assalamu alaikum, how are you guys? Hope you all are fine. It's me, Asma, and welcome to Graphic Tees. So, today we are going to make an beautiful animation with the help of Adobe Photoshop. So, let's start. But first of all, I'm going to show you some samples, and you can also create some GIF games with the help of this animation. And today we are going to create frame animation, okay? So, let's start. Let's see the preview. Yeah, I created this animation in Photoshop. um and It's not necessary that you always make your neon animation. You can also make your gif games, and you can also create flat. Okay, so this was the one animation, and that's the another one. Okay, so let's see the examples. In Photoshop it's working some slowly, and it's not that slow, it's fast. But my Photoshop is working slowly, that's why you can see it's working very slowly. So let's come to our file. I created that logo here. Okay, if you cannot see your timeline here, just go to window. Okay, and you can see here so many object options. Just select here timeline, so your timeline will be here. So I cutted these objects. For example, that double L A H and ABDU is two different shapes, and I had this. I cutted these two things also. Okay, and that's another layer, and there are also this layer. Okay, so now I'm going to create an animation. So first of all, if you open timeline, the one frame will, it will give you the one frame automatically. So if you want to make another layer, just go to this. So but I don't want to create another layer now, I'm going to make it later. So just select your tags and move it by yourself as you wish. For example, I want this box, these two things, I'm going to join them, and it will come from upside and expand from this side, and Abdullah will come, ABDU will come from this side, and LLAH will come from this side, and Pocky Gaming will come from the downside. For example, you can see this example. So this box is coming from here, and it's expanding from the both sides, and you can see the Sheikh is written here, and Abdullah is coming from the both sides, and the box is returning. So we're going to create something like this. So first of all, I'm going to take my rulers, and just set my guides here, so I can easily know that what's our measurements. Okay, just set your guides here at the borders of Sheikh, and another guide here. With the help of guides, you can work easily. Okay, another guide here, and a guide here at the center. Okay, so if it's done, just press Ctrl S for saving your file. Okay, that's right. Now I'm going to hide this text here, and that's our text. Okay, now I'm going to select this one and move it from arrow key. Okay, don't delete this object, it's very important. Okay, so that's right. Now I'm going to select this text and press your down arrow key and place it at the downside, and I'm going to take this box and this box. I'm going to place it at the center. You can see this margin line here. I'm going to set this box at the center, and now I'm going to take this box. Okay, if you want, you can also set it here, and I prefer you to make like this. it's selected. Now we will press our up arrow key and set it upside. Okay, so our page is now blank. Okay, and if I want a new layer, just press new layer. Don't work at the same layer because your photo will not be animated. Okay, action will taken on the new layer. Just remember that, don't forget. Okay, now I'm going to make it here. Okay, my ball, it's coming. Okay, don't do the action very much. I'm going to slowly press my arrow key. Okay, example, in this frame it's that, and that. Okay, it's coming down. Okay, that's right. Okay, now you can also check your layer from here. Just play the video from here. You can see it's coming. Okay, and it's set it for forever. You can also turn it 3 times or once. For example, if I set it to once, it will play your video and end. Okay, for example, I created once, so my video will end here. And if I set it on 3 times, my video will play 3 times. For example, one, two, three. So it stopped. I prefer you to add forever. Okay, and from here you can see here's written 0 seconds. It's mean no delay. So what the time duration you want to delay your animation or your frame. For example, if I set this one to 5.0 seconds, I mean 5 seconds, so it will set it for 5 seconds. For example, let's see. Okay, 5 second, and it will play. Okay, but I prefer you to set it to no delay. Okay, that's done. Our layer is ready. Now I'm going to take a new layer, and we'll move it. Okay, and now we will not take a new layer. We will work at the side, because if we take another layer, it would be first step will be applied from right side and the another one from left side. So now we will just press our arrow key and move it here. So now that's right. Now we'll take another layer and just press shift, one, two, three. Okay, now this one, shift, one, two, three. And in this area, shake will be appeared. Now you can also check your animation here. Okay, now we will take another layer, or you can also apply your shake effect here. For example, I'm make it visible, and let's play. Okay, now we will make another copy of it. I mean, take a new layer, and then we will add our this text. We will set the first letter here at the center, and create another layer. Our last letter will be set here, and these two letters will come here. Now take another layer. Okay, that's right. Now we will take this layer. Okay, that's right. You can play your animation. So I'm going to play my animation here. So if it's right, just keep going on, and you can also apply your glitch effect. Now I don't need these lines. I'm going to hide them, or you can say I'm going to delete them because I don't need them, and these are disturbing me. You can also hide these guides, but I want to delete them. So the guides are deleted. Now if you want, you can also select this text and set it upper, but I think that's right. Now we need that Pocky Gaming here. Okay. Oh, one thing I forgot here before we do this thing. Okay, we will create another layer here, and we want these headphones, or you can say what do you say, your object. We will going to delete, oh sorry, we are going to make these objects disappear. For example, now I'm going to one, two, three. Okay, now take this layer, one, two, three. So that's right. These objects are disappeared. Now check it again. Okay, now I'm going to delete this object from here too. Okay, for example, this disappeared here, and I'm going to hide this one and this one. So if you want to know that how to create neon effect in Photoshop, just go here and watch the full video. In Photoshop, your animation will play slowly, but if you render your video, I mean save your video and play it again, it would be so fast. And you can see in this animation, I thought that I should not apply my glitch effect here because it would be too long, but it wasn't. It was only 1 second. Can you imagine 1 second? So in the Photoshop, you can count how many seconds it takes to play. For example, I'm going to play this one. See, it's working very slowly. But if you play it from your Google Photos or anything, it would be applied so fast. So that's why I don't think that your animation is too long. Just apply the effects. So now that's right. So if you think that's right, you don't have to make your these objects appear. You can save your animation, and if you want them to appear, just make it appear. Okay, now play it again to check. Make sure to confirm that your animation is perfect. Okay, so now that's right. So what's the method to export this animation? Because in Photoshop we usually edit our images, and we know the option to save our file or save our jpg image, but in animation it's totally different. So to save this file, just go to file, and you can see so many options here. So you can see an option here, it says export. So usually for saving our png, we press this one, but we don't have to press this one. We need to render the video. You can see here's written video. It says because it's no we render the video, so just click it and the loading starts. So our render options are here. So you can you don't have to edit any of these things. Just check the values. If they are checked, so it's right. And you can change your username, your file name from here, and you can select your folder from here. So it will load for a while. So please check the values and click the render, so your video will be rendered or saved. So it might take a while. And if you like the video, just give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.